New at 5:30, a county health center director is under fire tonight after the findings of an old sexual harassment complaint resurfaced. Kimberly Howard is live outside the Saratoga County Mental Health Center right now. Kimberly, these findings are from 2007, so why is this coming out now?
Well, and the woman who settled sexual harassment allegation with this individual says she didn't know that he went on to lead this center. And she says that when she found that out, it led to a lot of uncomfortable memories and worries for the people who work here. Now the city is questioning why he was ever hired. The Saratoga County Mental Health Center helps some of the area's most vulnerable. But lately, it seems the workers here have been dealing with issues all their own.
Doctors and clinicians have resigned, claiming that the facility is falling apart and that they would find working with Prezioso untenable and toxic.
Dr. Michael Prezioso is the facility's director and the subject of a lot of controversy. Documents show he sexually harassed Heidi DiTonno, who worked with him at another center in Albany. The State Office of Mental Health confirms the two settled for $7,500 in 2007. But DiTonno says things just got worse.
I wouldn't wish it on anybody.
She says the harassment led her to develop anorexia, and once she got the courage to file charges, she says she faced retaliation. Then came a claim that DiTonno made some sort of threat. She was then put on administrative leave and eventually terminated. Prezioso moved on to his new position in Saratoga Springs. Based on the allegations from his past, the mayor of Saratoga Springs and other city leaders are now asking the county to take another look.
If there is a history of this, that there be an explanation as to why this person was hired.
Prezioso didn't respond to our attempts to contact him, but the county issued this statement in response. It says, in part, the personnel department supported his appointment after multiple interviews and a background check. The union, which represents most of the people who work here, says a representative has encouraged employees to come forward with specifics if staffing or any other issues have to do with Prezioso. DiTonno says she knows that will be hard.
If you can find the courage to come forward, you can help.
City leaders say they have no jurisdiction over who can be hired or fired at a county facility, but they also say that according to their standards, they wouldn't have hired Prezioso based on that finding. Some members of the group, meanwhile, also came forward today hoping that an independent investigator can look this all over. For now, we are live in Saratoga Springs. Kimberly Howard, CBS 6 News.